You don't need to be an athlete to trek gorillas. Here's the truth no one tells you. I see this question all the time in DMs and emails, hidden in casual conversations. I'd love to see gorillas, but I'm not sure I'm fit enough. Let me be real with you. The fitness fear stops more people from booking than the cost does, and it breaks my heart because here's what the glossy brochures don't show you. Truth number one, trails vary massively in difficulty. Some gorilla families live 30 minutes from the trailhead. Others are a 4-hour climb. The rangers know where each family is every morning. We can request easier routes. Your trek could be a gentle forest walk. Seriously. Truth number two, porters exist for exactly this reason. For $15 to $20, a local porter will 1. Carry your day pack, 2. Offer a hand on steep sections, 3. Literally push you up hills if needed, with your permission, and 4. Walk at your pace, not the group's. These aren't just helpers. They're the secret weapon that makes this accessible.
Private treks mean no keeping up with strangers. Rest when you need. Go slow. Take breaks. I've guided guests in their 70s, guests with knee replacements, guests who told me I haven't exercised in years. They all made it. Truth number 4, the hard part is mental, not physical. Yes, you might huff and puff. Yes, your legs might burn. But when you're sitting 10 feet from a silverback, you will not remember the walk. You'll remember him. Truth number 5, the gorilla has come to you. Sometimes the family moves toward the trail. I've had treks where we walked 20 minutes on flat ground and boom, gorillas. You cannot predict it, but easy treks happen more than you'd think. Here's who I've taken gorilla trekking. A 68-year-old grandmother who doesn't do hills. A plus-size traveler who was terrified she'd slow everyone down. A man recovering from hip surgery 6 months post-op. A woman with asthma who brought her inhaler just in case. Every single one of them cried when they saw the gorillas. Not from exhaustion, from joy. So let me ask you directly, is fitness a concern that's been sitting in the back of your mind? No judgment here. Drop a raise your hand below if this has been holding you back even a little. Or tell me, what's your real concern about the physical side? Let's talk about it honestly. If you want our low-intensity gorilla itineraries, routes designed for people who want the magic without the marathon, just DM me the word FIT and I'll send them over.